So we are still on refractive index, and now it's determining the refractive index using real depth and apparent depth. So what do we mean by that? So to carry out this experiment, you need a beaker, and then you also need 2 coins of the same size. So you place 1 coin just on the walls side of a beaker, then the other one can be put under the beaker or inside but at the bottom. So now that is what you need. Now, how is the procedure done? So the way the procedure is done is your duty is to look at the coin that is under the beaker or at the bottom. You look at where does it appear in water. So there's water inside here. You realize that the image of this coin will appear a little bit above. So this could be the image. So the duty that you have is to put a mark. At what point do you see this image? So when you put a mark, you have to measure the distance from where it is to the level of water, and we call this distance apparent depth. Okay? And then another distance that you should measure, you can use a ruler, is the distance from the coin that you had put on the walls, on the sides, to the level of water, and that is called the real depth. So there's an apparent depth and a real depth. So how are you going to consider the refractive index? You're going to divide real depth divided by apparent depth. So to help you understand better on this, quickly we can go through the procedure. So the first one is to take 2 similar coins. Take 2 similar coins and place one under the beaker of the water and the other close to the walls of the beaker. That is the first procedure, like I said. Number 2, look at 2 coins directly from above the beaker. So what they mean is you look where you're seeing the eye there. Then number 3, the coin under the water appears to be closer. Mark on the beaker the point of the image. So like I said, you put a mark there where you are seeing it. Then the other procedure is measure the distance between the mark and the water. Now what mark is the mark we are talking about, where you are seeing the image to the water? Then measure the distance of the water level up to where the coin is beside the beaker. So they are talking about this distance. So call it the real depth. So these are the procedure that you need to take. Thank you for watching.